Hey guys, this is Corey.Buystedt over at Guaranty RV. I'm here to show you the 265 RDS Fox Mountain. Let's take a look inside. Alright guys, when you walk up into here, to your left you can see your U-shaped dinette. There's a very big table. It does turn into a bed, that's nice. And above you have all this cabinetry. Making your way into the living room area, you have this couch right here. It is also a bed, so it just pulls out. And then over here you have your fridge. You have nice solid surface countertops. And one of the things I notice about this brand is that it's a very homey look, very browns and grays and tans, but it's not dated. It looks updated, and you can see that in the steps going up into the bedroom and the bathroom. And your bedroom, you do have a step up to get to your bed, so that's actually kind of nice. A lot of people complain about the step, but the thing you got to think about is the fact that the front cap is so small. If you want a smaller rig that doesn't sit super tall up in the air where you're going to catch tree branches, then things like that step are going to have to show up because the underneath where the bay is on the cross through or the pass through. But you do step up onto the bed. You couldn't probably not get onto that bed if you didn't have it. And then you have a slide out in your bedroom, and that's for your closet area. More than enough storage in this entire rig. And one of the new things that we're really excited about that Fox Mountain did is that they're using aluminum cage construction now, which they were not before. So the line between Fox Mountain and Arctic Fox is getting thinner and thinner by the year. And that's very exciting. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions on this rig or any of our other ones, you can just contact me, Corey.Buystedt, 541-735-1535, and I'm sure I can help you.